Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'm going to be taking you through a fantastic leg slimming, butt and thigh firming workout that's going to really work you from every different angle. We'll be working through flexion and extension of the hip, external rotation, and honing in on those glute medes. Now, all you need for this workout is your mat, so let's get started. So in this side lying position with your heels in line with your tailbone, hips nice and stacked, abs lifted and pulled in tight, you want to make sure that your elbow's directly underneath your shoulder. You're really lifting your ear up and away from that shoulder as much as you can to keep the neck nice and long. Now, if you need to at any stage, you can lower your head down onto the ground as well and come into a full side lying position. We're going to lift the top leg up. Now make sure here you pull that knee in and you keep it at hip height, flex that foot and press right out in line with the body. 9 and press. And 8. Really press, lifting up and out of those shoulders, keeping the forearm nice and light on the ground. Good, and press. Let's do 5 more. 5 and 4. 3 to go. 2 and 1. Now we're going to do the same thing. We press out, but this time we bring the knee forward, we kick to the front. We flex and push out, bring the knee forward, kick to the front. 8, kick. 7, kick. 6 to go, 6, and reach. 5, lengthen just 4 more, 4, reach. 3, and 2, and 1 last time. Now stack those legs on top of one another, lift your heels, turn your top knee out, lower it down. 9 and 8, really externally rotating, press those heels together, lift that knee right up, pull your navel up and in, press, and 4, 3, 2, and 1, same thing with an extension. Reach. 9 and 8. Turn it right out, stretch. Lengthen, good, just 5 more. 5 and 4. 3 to go. Keep those shoulders nice and square. Hold it up, just kick it out for 10. 9, 8, 7 and 6, 5 more, and 4, 3, 2, and 1, and lower all the way down. Repeat this series 3 times through for a killer butt and thigh workout. Alternatively, if you want full-length, real-time workouts, check out our online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. This workout is an excerpt from one of our 60-minute PBL live full-length workouts. We have full-length studio workouts, reformer routines, programs, challenges, and over 500 amazing online videos waiting for you. Check it out with our free 10-day trial. I can't wait to see you on the mat.